For today's assignment, you will want to come to the science homepage and then click on home learning module for April 13th through 17th. You can either do that or you can just click on modules up here on the left-hand side. Either one will work. And then you have to do these in order. So the first one is just an overview. And this just gives information. You can kind of skim through it and come back to it if you need to. But you have to look at it first or it won't let you open the next one. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. For this one, it says to read the article and type 10 jot dots in the submission box. And then your next assignment will be to participate in a discussion. So you want to click on the article and read it. And as you read it, now I just would have it opened in another tab, or you can print it out if you prefer to do that. But as you're reading it, you need to write down some jot dots like we've done in class a lot of times. So to do that, you could click on the article and it brings it up. And so as I'm reading, I'm going to do 10 jot dots. So back to my assignment. I would make my first one here. Back in December, a mystery illness emerged in China. Okay, so that's what you do. And then as you continue, you'll go to 10, and then you would click Submit Assignment. And that will show that it's turned in, and you can see over here it says submitted, and that means that yes, indeed, you have submitted it. If you don't like the score or you submitted it on accident, you can do it again and resubmit it. That's totally fine. That's it.